So after that inspiring start, we are going to introduce the lovely Stéphanie Chedid, and she is from, and I have to double check the pronunciation, the Université Paris-Est Créteil. I'm feeling very proud of that. Oh, I'm getting some nods from my Frenchies, that's great. And she is going to be talking to us about transporting plants to planes. Ladies and gentlemen, give her a very big round of applause.
Please fasten your seatbelt as we prepare to take off. Oh, sorry. We cannot take off. CO2 emission is blocking us along with carbon footprint. Thank you for your understanding. As a chemical researcher, I will not accept this, and I refuse to quit flying. My work is about letting us travel all around the world without feeling guilty towards our environment. I'm designing new component for the transportation sector made of natural resources. Through a chemical process, we transform plant oil into resins. And these resins are reinforced and gaining the strength through a mesh look-alike material that we call carbon fibers. Finally, we obtain our component that will replace the existing one, like the airplane wings made of petroleum resources. But now you will tell me that greener transportation already exists, and I'm sure that you will give me the electrical cars as your first example. But guess what? By using my strategy, we create lighter transportation that will consume less fuels. In addition to this, you will not worry what will happen once the material is totally consumed because it's recyclable. The only challenge that remains is to find the balance between sustainability and performance. But I can almost guarantee you that by using a careful engineering process, we can meet the technical demand of the industries. So rather than finding alternative solutions for transportation, we are fixing existing problems. So now, please switch all your electronic devices to flight mode. And please, for your safety, remain seated. Thank you for choosing my airline. Enjoy your flight.